What are the Sassy Divas up to this month? Well, stay tuned to find out. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's not with me this evening and Bandit's sitting on my mom's lap right now. So I am solo today and the Sassy Divas are up to honoring our moms. So I went with the 50s because my mom really loves that part of kind of growing up in the 50s. So I did snag one of her sweaters that she has and her necklace and earrings, and I have my hair up, and I'm going to go for a malt shop look, but not just like a standard malt shop look, but more like doing like maybe a banana split type look on my eyes. So we're going to get right into it. Now, you do have to be subscribed to everybody in the collab if you want to be a part of the giveaway, and I do have a friend visiting with me. This is Flat Stanley, and Flat Stanley was sent to me by my niece. So he's visiting to learn a little bit about Connecticut, and I thought I would let him be a part of the collab with me. So if you don't know about Flat Stanley, it was a project that was done in order to like teach kids about other states. So as the story goes, Stanley gets smushed by a bulletin board that falls, and his parents roll him up and send him to his friend in California. So Stanley takes trips everywhere, and my niece thought it would be pretty cool if he came to Connecticut to visit with us. So Stanley's going to learn a lot about Connecticut, and I'm going to put all that together and send that out to her just as soon as I can. But Stanley's going to hang out and watch me do my makeup. I already have my foundation done and my contouring done, so that's all set, but that is the only thing that I've done so far. All right, my Bandit decided to join me, so there he is. He's so sweet. And I'm going to start with my bronzer to kind of be my chocolate sauce, but a very light chocolate sauce, maybe like a dusting of cocoa. Then we're going to put a little bit of strawberry sauce on the cheeks using this Natasha Denona cream blush. Then I'm going to have a little melted vanilla ice cream on my cheeks using this Odin's Eye highlighter. And we're going to get into the eyes. So what's better to get some chocolate ice cream than the Too Faced Better Than Chocolate palette, which smells delicious, has some great colors. And I'm going to start right in using this color right here for the chocolate on the bottom. For the vanilla ice cream, I'm going to use this one right here called Anaheim, and this is in the Lorella Golden State palette, because I was looking for more of like a creamy, kind of like a vanilla like this, mainly because I need more of a white color for the whipped cream. Next, I'm going to use this Brentwood, and then I'm going to top that with this one right here. I think it says WEHO. All right, so I'm going to come in with this one right here to do the chocolate. Then for the whipped cream, I'm going to come in with this white shade. I'm going to come back in and I'm going to just darken up that initial layer that I did. And then I'm just taking this color right here and just kind of going over that just a little bit. For that nice gooey chocolate sauce that is all gone to the bottom. So in that Golden State palette is this banana color. And then I'm just going to go just above that initial line there, that initial highlight line. Now that didn't show up as well as I wanted it to, so I'm going to go into the waterline with this. That should work a little bit better. So I did get a little bit of a good line with that yellow, so I'm going to go back over the waterline with a chocolate color. And now for the cherry on top, I'm going to take this San Fran and we're just going to lightly dab it like up in here. And it came out a little bit darker than I like, so I'm going to just take this Hollywood shade right there and just kind of give it some iridescence. Next, we have some Natasha Moore mascara. I think it does an all right job. So that's just one coat. Let's go back in and do another coat. See if we can get these bad boys any bigger. All right, I'm going to fill in those brows. And I have this by, who's it by? I don't know, it says baby hair on it. The UOMA. That's what I thought it was by. And then lips. So I have this Maybelline liner. It's my mom's. It's terrible. It drags, it pulls, it doesn't feel very good, but it's the only one I could find that would go with this MAC. There we go. I've got my cardigan kind of buttoned and over my shoulders, although my mom said we used to take thin black cardigans and button them up all the way and wear them backwards. Well, you don't have any of those, so I can't do that. But she did have this, so, because all of my button-up cardigans like this were at home, and I'm at her house. She had surgery recently, so I'm here for an extended time, kind of just making sure everything goes all right. So I had to steal one of her sweaters and her necklace and earrings. This I got from FabFitFun. It's a Larks and Ives scarf. Of course, the tag probably should come off, or I should twist it a different way so the tag isn't showing, but what do you think? There is my final look. So I have the vanilla, the strawberry, the chocolate, the whipped cream on top, the cherry on top, a little bit of a banana, and a little bit of both banana on the bottom and some chocolate syrup on the bottom, or chocolate sauce. So that is my malt shop inspired 50s look. So tell me your thoughts. Now, last month I did host the giveaway. So in my last BoxyCharm premium. I got a lot of duplicates, so I put that aside to use for this giveaway. So I was excited to hop on to do the next giveaway. So I did have 2 semifinalists last month from my channel. I would have done that again this month if I had more time to get this filmed, but with the operation it just hasn't worked out. And I would have had my daughter with me and she would have created an 80s look for you, but we don't have time, so we're just doing this. So I did have 2 semifinalists, so we did have everybody's name on the wheel of names. Each channel picked one. I picked 2 semifinalists. Who was the winner? Cathy Wellman. Cathy, you are the winner of the Sassy Divas Collab. If you want to know who the host is for this month, for the month of May, you'll have to wait till next month. We post the first Sunday of every month, nice and early for you. And so all of the rules for the giveaway will be down below. But Cathy, make sure that you hit me up on Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram account, then just let me know that in the comments and give me your email and I'll be happy to email you. But otherwise, keep watching, check all the ladies out. Everyone I'm sure did something so wonderful, and I'm so excited to see what they've done, what looks they've come up with. And for those of you who celebrate it, happy Mother's Day. And for those of you who don't, happy day to your mom, right? Any day of the week. We should celebrate our moms every day. And that's not because I'm a mom, because my kid does not need to celebrate me every day, but she could. I'd be okay with that. All right, well, thank you so much for spending some time with us, and say goodbye to Flat Stanley. My words are always the same when it comes to a big collaboration, and that is that you need to tell me that you are subscribed or subbed to all. That's all you need to do to be entered, other than follow the rest of the rules, but there is no other special word. So using the word Flat Stanley is not the word to get you in. I don't pull I use the random comment picker, but I don't pull for those words. I just make sure that those words are in there, and then I do check. So don't tell me you're sub to all and not be sub to all, because that's gonna make me salty. It's a lot looking through all the people that, you know, when I check on subscribers, there's a ton in there, and I go a little cross-eyed checking, cross-checking, double-checking 3-4 times, like, why isn't this person, they said they were sub to all, why weren't they? So, and that's what happened last month. Was my first winner from my channel said I am sub to all and was not. So I had to disqualify that person. So make sure that's not you. Make sure you are subscribed to everybody. It's not a huge group, so everybody's listed down below. They're all in the playlist, so please make sure that you are subscribed to everybody, and watch everybody's video. Give them a like, give them that nice thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that, and that's all I have. So thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.